Hi, welcome to English class. Today I am Saroj Nalode from Shivaji High School, Chinchani, Ambag, going to teach you the poem The Twins. It is a very fantastic and humorous poem, and it is composed by Henry Sambrook Leigh. This is a very humorous poem. See here, the twins. In this title, the meaning of the poem is consisted. The twins. Here you will see both the boys were same, and because of the twins, we find so many humorous situations, so many humorous incidents in our life. The poet here explains about the humorous situations happened due to the features, due to the same features, due to the same incidents happened because of the twins. So we will learn here the poem. See here, first stanza. In form and features, face and limb, I grew so like my brother. The twins, we will get ideas here now. The twins means Zuli. Here you will see pictures of two boys. Also here I will show you the pictures of two boys. Both boys were looking same. They were twins. They were born at the same time. जुळी मुलं. आणि ह्यांच्यामुळं जीवनामध्ये आपल्याला अनेक गोष्टी दोन जर जुळे भाऊ असतील तर त्यांच्याविषयी असणाऱ्या सेम अवयव असतील, सेम त्यांचे कलर्स असतात, सेम फीचर्स असतात आणि त्याच्यामुळं अनेक घटना जीवनामध्ये ह्युमरस सिच्युएशन, विनोदी घटना, विनोदी प्रसंग घडत असतात आणि त्याचं वर्णन कवीनं या कवितेमध्ये केलेलं आहे. सियर फर्स्ट स्टांजा. इन द फॉर्म अँड फीचर्स, फेस अँड लिव्ह, आय ग्रीव सो लाईक माय ब्रदर. In the form and features. In form and features means in appearance I was same like my brother. The poet says that in form and features, because of in appearance or all the limbs, nose, expression or color same, and because of this in the form and features, face and limb, I grew so like my brother. We grown up in the same way. We are looking same. Our features are same. In appearance, we were same, of the same height, of the same color, of the same facial expression, and so many things are same. That folks got taking me for him, and each for one another. We were made for one another. It puzzles all our kith and kin. Kith and kin. Kith and kin means relatives. It puzzles all our kith and kin. When someone, suppose they may be relatives or there may be neighbors or unknown person, when they see both these twins, they were puzzled, they were confused. It reached a fearful pitch. Sometimes they were so puzzled that they went into a height. एक वेळा कळस गाठायचा अक्षरशः विनोदाचा, इतकी ती सेम दिसायची. एव्हरीवन, अननोन पर्सन और नेबर्स और रिलेटिव्स ऑलवेज कन्फ्युज्ड बिकॉज ऑफ देम. दे कुडंट आयडेंटिफाय दिस पर्सन. फॉर वन ऑफ अस वॉज बॉर्न ए ट्विन, येट नॉट ए सोल न्यू which. नो वन न्यू हू वॉज बॉर्न ॲट फर्स्ट अँड हू वॉज बॉर्न ॲट लॅटर. कुणालाच कळत नव्हतं की कोण पहिला जन्मला आहे आणि कोण दुसरा जन्मला आहे. सो मेनी ह्युमरस इन्सिडंट्स हॅपन्स इन आवर लाईफ. इन आवर चाइल्डहुड डेज वी वेर लुकिंग सो ब्युटिफुल अँड वी वेर लुकिंग सो सेम like this. Here both these cute boys were here and they are looking same. Their expressions are same, their faces are same, facial expressions also same, other appearance also same, clothes are also same. And because of this, if we see here now, you are looking also with to this twin. Can you understand or can you guess which is first and which is latter? What is his name or what is her name or what are their name? Can you guess? No one can guess because they were looking same. And so like as we are now confused, like relatives and also neighbors are also confused, because the poet says that we are of same face, we are of same appearance, and because of this our relatives and our neighbors so many times confused. आणि म्हणून बऱ्याच वेळा आम्ही सेम दिसत असल्यामुळं लहानपणी सगळी आम्हाला फसायचीच. बट दिस नॉट हॅपन ओनली इन चाइल्डहूड डेज. डे बाय डे दिस सिच्युएशन आर दिस सेम अपीरन्स continued in their life also from birth to death, and so many humorous situations, so many humorous incidents happen in their life. One day, to make matter worse, before our names were fixed, and in the naming ceremony the poet says that the worst thing, it is the peak of the incident. तर त्या दिवशी तर कळसच घातला घटनेनं. बिफोर आवर नेम्स वेअर फिक्स, our naming ceremony, in our naming ceremony, as we were being washed by nurse, we got completely mixed. When nurse took us to wash, that time she forget or she confused who has to put which cradle. We got completely mixed, and she changed their places, and thus you see by fate degree, or rather no swim, because of nurse or because of fate or because of nature. तुम्ही याला नर्सची चूक म्हणा किंवा नशिबाचा खेळ म्हणा किंवा नशीब म्हणा, नीतीचा खेळ म्हणा, पण ते घडलं. My brother John got Christian means the poet's name was Christian. My brother John, and his brother's name was John, but instead of putting John into John's cradle, she put John into Christian's cradle and Christian into John's cradle. She changed the places of both Christian and John. She changed their places, and so John got the name of the poet, that is Christian, and Christian got the name of his brother, that is John. जे नर्स असू दे, नीतीमुळं असू दे किंवा तिच्या चुकीमुळं असू दे, की तिने जेव्हा त्यांना आंघोळीसाठी नेलं, पुन्हा त्या क्रॅडलमध्ये ठेवण्यासाठी जेव्हा ती आली पाळण्यात, तेव्हा मात्र ती कन्फ्यूज झाली आणि तिनं जॉनच्या जागेला पोएटला ठेवलं आणि पोएटच्या जागेला जॉनला ठेवलं, आणि अशा पद्धतीनं दोघांची नावं त्या ठिकाणी चेंज झाली. This fatal likeness even dodged my footsteps when at school. The poet says that this is not a little bit, but later on also various humorous situations happened with us. So many incidents happened with us. The poet says that when we were grown up, when we became younger, that time also so many incidents happened with us, so many humorous situations happened with us. When we went to school, that time also everyone was that time confused because of us, and humorous situations happened. आम्ही जेव्हा मोठे झालो, शाळेत जाऊ लागलो, तेव्हा सुद्धा this humorous situation, this same fatal chase us. And as we went into the school, I was always getting flogged, for John turned out a fool. We were looking same. So John was a very naughty boy, my brother was a very naughty, and he always do some mistakes, and that time I was beaten by teachers or other children. I put this question fruitlessly to everyone I knew. What would you do if you were me, and to prove that you were you? And that time I tried to confess myself, what will you do if you are in my place? But no one can understand me. मी प्रत्येकाला सांगायचा प्रयत्न करायचा, रे मी तो नाही, I am not John, I am Christian, but no one listened to me. We were looking the same, and so whenever he did some mistakes, that time everyone beat me, or everyone that time scorn upon me, and I tried to confess myself, I tried to prove myself, but no one listened to me. And so because of this I became upset. Later on also what happens here, our close resemblance turned the tide of my domestic life. for some of my intended bride becomes my brother wife. This is nothing too little, but very humorous thing happened in my life also. As we grown up, and that time so many humorous situations happened in our life. He says that our close resemblance turned the tide, means as they grown up, their circumstances also changed. They were looking same also in grown up area. When became they older and older, that time also they looking same. In teenage area also they were looking same. And when they were going to married, that time also my intended bride became my brother's wife. They were looking the same, and so his brother's wife became his wife, and his wife became his brother's wife. What a change, what a surprise happened in their life. See here, they were looking the same, and because of this, their marriage also done on the same time, at the same place, and that time their brides also unable to understand them. They were looking so same that their brides also couldn't able to understand their husband, and because of this his intended bride becomes his brother's wife, and his brother's wife became his wife. In fact, year after year, the same absurd mistakes went on. In year after year, same mistakes happen, same situations happen, same humorous situations happen. His brother makes so many mistakes, and because of this he was punished, he was beaten by others, but he couldn't do that because he was unable to prove himself. What happens in his life also, a very humorous incident happened, that his own bride, his own wife also changed because of their same appearance. In fact, absurd mistakes went on and on and on, and when I died, the neighbors came and buried brother John. In death also, the situation can't change up to death, from their birth to death. This situation chased them. अगदी जन्मापासून मृत्यूपर्यंत अक्षरशः पाठ घेतलेली होती असं म्हटलं तरी वावगं ठरणार नाही. When I died, the neighbor came and buried brother John. The poet says that when his death happened, that times also neighbors confused, and instead of burying the poet, they buried his brother John. मेल्यानंतर सुद्धा त्याच्या मागचं कास संपलेलं नाही, तर त्याला पोएट मेल्यानंतर नेबर्स केम. दे वर ऑल्सो कन्फ्यूज. They couldn't understand who is John and who is Christian, and so they buried his brother John instead of Christian. The poet died, but these neighbors couldn't understand who is John and who is Christian, and instead of burying the poet Christian, they buried his brother John. What a humorous situation happened, see here. So this is a very fantastic, and see, this is a very humorous poem. We have find